There are places we travel to for adventure, and there are places that find us when we are broken, lost, and looking for something real. This is Kilkee Cliffs, the place that found me when I was broken, damaged, mentally not well. And I learned here how to rebuild myself all over again. Jiegwich fine citizens, Cade Milifolce, 100,000 welcomes from Kilkee Cliffs. This is Marcus and welcome to my channel. Today, if you stay with me until the end of this journey, I'll do my best to make sure that you will leave feeling lighter, stronger, and a little more connected to your own story. You see, Kilkee isn't just a place. It's a reminder that even broken things can be made beautiful again. And this is what you see is a living example of that. Well, before I could tell the world stories, I had to honor my own. And my story, the part that mattered, started here, on these cliffs. The first time I stood here, I wasn't a traveler. I wasn't a storyteller. I was broken, sad, angry, disappointed. It's okay to be broken. It's okay to feel lost sometimes. But nothing lasts forever. Not sadness, not disappointment, not failure. The waves crash, the winds howl, the storms come and go, and still the cliffs stand. Like the cliffs, we endure storms. We get battered, reshaped, but we don't fall forever. If you are in the middle of a storm, hang on. Your cliffs are waiting for you as well. And let me tell you something. The end of each story is only the signal that a new one is about to begin. I come back here every year, not to relive the pain, but to remember that things can become stronger again. And here I am today. When I compare myself to those days and the dark hole I was in that time, I feel that I am connected to this place, and I have to come and honor and remember and to stay humble. Things can always go south, but there is always a way to find your way through storms, the dark times, or we have to remind ourselves quite often that nothing lasts forever. Kilkee Cliffs remind me broken things don't stay broken. They become wiser, stronger, and ready for a new story. And maybe, just maybe, this is where your new story begins as well. If this story resonates with you, if you have ever felt you're lost and found your way again, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Subscribe, share your own story. Let's build something stronger together. Well, if you ask why Kilkee, well, at this moment now, I can tell you it's the lesser known sibling of Cliffs of Moher. Here at Kilkee Cliffs, you don't have to pay any money, any fees for insurance for entering the cliffs. It's totally free. You have places to park your car. It's a nice small town. You can enjoy many bars, many pubs, many restaurants. Like, what I mean by many is as many as can be in a small town. You get me? If you are coming from Galway, it's about 1 hour and a half driving through the open arms of County Clare. You can take the M18 motorway, or if you want to do it right, the slower coastal roads where every turn looks like a postcard. And if you want to come by bus, then you can take a bus from Galway to Ennis, and then from Ennis transfer down toward Kilkee. But trust me, if you can drive it. It's worth it. Well, every mile, every kilometer on your way is a big part of your story. So enjoy it. The best time to visit, I'd say it's early spring, like April, May, when the cliffs are raw and alive, like now, but still quiet. Sunset or sunrise, that's when Kilkee shows you its real face, its real beauty. That is unbeatable. This is the parking area. You can park your car here. On Saturdays it's for free, and today is Saturday. So I didn't choose it intentionally, but it just happened. But the rest of the days you have to pay money. It's €2 for 3 hours and €5 for 10 hours. And just over there, if you see, that's a cafe. You can grab coffee or grab some food if you're hungry, and then we're good to go. And today I've just lost my drone in the ocean. It couldn't make it. The battery, I didn't fly it longer, but it couldn't make it to come back, so it fell into the ocean. May this take all your problems to the ocean and you start over again.